I'm going to do a quick overview of how I made this beehive ring. I started with 18 gauge wire, and I'm just with the tip of my flat nose pliers, I'm going to bend the shape of the honeycomb. So we're just going to go back and forth with the tip of the pliers to make a sort of up and down formation. And we're just going to make about 6 of these. It depends on your finger, and we're just going to keep them as even as we can, up and down with the same area of your pliers. And so you're going to, when you get to the end, go back upon itself, because what we want to end up having is 4 rows of these shapes. So try to keep them even. Just use the tip of your pliers, and then we have 4 rows all made with one piece of wire. And then we're going to flatten the wire either with your rolling mill or the hammer, so they're flattened, and then adjust them if you need to with the tips of your pliers to get them even and slightly overlapping. And then we're going to twist them with 24 gauge wire. So we're going to twist around one end about 3 times, and then we're going to clip it flush and pinch it in so it's not pokey, and do at least a few areas to hold it together. In the sample, I actually attached all the intersections with the 24 gauge wire. And for the bee, you can get inspired by the replay of my wire bee live stream. I'll link it up below, and I'll also link up the tutorial for the beaded bee earrings. And I made some bees on flowers that I don't have a tutorial, but I do have the templates available in my Etsy DIY shop. So I'll link up the bee templates in the description below the video, and you can pick up those templates and many others for my other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.